Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make golden syrup cake. This was a recipe that was developed during the Second World War to show people what you could make with just one egg. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little notification button. Thank you. For this you're going to need margarine, soft brown sugar, warm water, bicarbonate of soda, an egg, ginger, cinnamon, self-raising flour, plain flour, a pinch of salt and of course lots of golden syrup. This is so easy. To start with, I'm going to put 400 grams of golden syrup in my pan. This does seem rather a lot, and it is, but it's well worth it. And these squeegee bottles make it so much easier to weigh out 400 grams. And the next thing is the margarine. And we just slide that in. And now I'm just going to put this on the hob for it to melt gently on a low heat. While the butter and the golden syrup are melting in the pan, I'm just going to add the flour and the sugar and the spices to my mixing bowl. First of all, this is just plain flour. This is self-raising flour. Now the soft brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. And just a little bit of salt. I think it helps with the raising agent. Now I'm just going to put the mixer on slow just to mix these ingredients together. Don't worry if you don't have one of these, you can use a handheld mixer or you can just use a balloon whisk. Because it turns into a batter, you do need some form of balloon whisk to do this. Also, while the marg and the golden syrup are melting, I'm just going to beat my egg so it's all ready for the last bit. The marg and the golden syrup has melted, so now I'm just going to add it to my mixer. Next, the beaten egg. And lastly, I'm going to add the bicarbonate of soda to the water. Give it a stir to make sure it gets all mixed in. And now just add that to the batter. The cake is all full of gorgeous, lovely little bubbles. And now I'm just going to pour this into a 9-inch cake tin. I'm just going to put this in the oven now for an hour at 150. That's it, the golden syrup cake is done and ready to eat. You'll notice it's slightly squidgy on the one side because after the camera switched off, I dropped it. Hopefully yours will look better than mine. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little notification bell and I'll see you again next time. Thank you. Goodbye. Come on you two. Do you want some cake? I'm coming!
Let's do that one. Let's have a nibble.
Let's go for it. It's still slightly warm.
Oh, that's nice.
Serves me well.
You're going to get. That's good, isn't it?
That's good.
Brown sugar! That was good.
Okay.
Love it.
Whew.
She's got it! Go girl!
Right, this is so easy. No, that was wrong.
Oh.
I didn't say that very well. It was like, oh, this is so easy. Gotta do it.
Just
I've got
no motivation whatsoever. This is so
Put your shoulders down and you got it.
Yeah, well, that's why I did it there. I wasn't
Yeah!
Excellent.
See?
She got it! Moving on up, moving on up, moving on up. Nothing can stop her.
People. Sorry.
My little bubbles are going to disappear.
Forgot to press record.
You pressed record now? Thank you. Well, that's my... What's it called? Golden syrup cake.
Yeah. Yeah. What's the dish I've just made?
Guacamole.
I'm going back to guacamole.
Well, it's not your guacamole.
I'm going to do this right now.
Yeah.
So, how good's the cake?
Mm.
And again, just how good's the cake for YouTube?
Oh yeah, PG.
It's gorgeous.